Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make a list on Bluesky. To make a list on Bluesky, we have only 5 steps for you. First, open the Bluesky app. Launch the Bluesky app on your device and make sure to log in with your account. Go to the list section. Tap on the 3 dots, the menu icon, or navigate to the list section, typically located in your profile or settings. Create a new list. Tap on the plus or new button or the create list option in the top right corner. Give your list an avatar, a name, and optional description to organize it effectively. Then hit save. Add people to the list. Tap on start adding people. Then search for users by their name, username, or handle. Tap the add button next to their profile to include them in your list. Save and use the list. Once you've added, go to people. Here, you can now use the list to filter your feed and view posts only from people in that list. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.